Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn fun with shapes together, step by step. Shapes are everywhere in toys, tiles, and windows. We'll name flat and solid shapes and make patterns with them. Flat shapes have sides and corners. A triangle has 3 sides, a square 4 equal sides, a rectangle 4 sides, and a circle is round. Solid shapes take up space: cubes, cuboids, spheres, and cones. Some roll like a sphere, some stack like a cube. A shape with 3 sides and 3 corners is a triangle. Counting sides and corners names the shape. To recap, name flat shapes by sides and corners. Know the common solids, and have fun making shape patterns. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.